Hey friends, if you wish to create a local account on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side and in the right pane, scroll down and click on other users. Now add another user, click on add account. Select I don't have this person's sign in information. Now click on add a user without a Microsoft account, and this is what a local account is. One is the Microsoft account, the second one is local account. So you can give this name and enter the password and then re-enter the password. Make sure that it's the same one, and in case you forget the password, you can enter security questions. Okay, and the third one is any third and then click on next. Okay, I will change the name and then click on next, and a local account has been created. And if you wish to remove this local account, simply click on remove and then delete account and data. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.